All right, boys and girls, today is my last and final day of writing my essay. So before I started this video, I had read my essay. I have my notes out and I am ready to finish up. So I'm going to come to the end here. I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to hit tab to start a new paragraph. And I'm going to start telling you all about his chocolate and how successful he was and how he built a whole town around chocolate. Milton's chocolate was very successful. He wanted a town built around his factory. He wanted stores and shops available to his workers, to his employees. He built an entire town around chocolate. The town had a theater, parks, bank, library, post office, general store, a zoo, a school, and a trolley so people could get around. In 1906, the town was officially named Hershey, Pennsylvania. He also made sure that the town smelled of chocolate by using pipes throughout the city from his factory. Kitty could not have children. Milton and Kitty missed not having children, so they opened a school for orphaned boys. The school opened in 1909 and gave orphan boys the skills needed to earn a decent living. The boys learned reading, math, carpentry, and farming. The school was very successful. Kitty became ill and died on March 25th, 1915. Notice that I started a new paragraph, boys and girls. That is because I am no longer talking about Hershey, Pennsylvania, or the school. After Kitty passed away, he was very sad. He visited Cuba, where lots of sugar cane came from. He bought factories in Cuba and used similar used similar business plans in Cuba and built a town there for his employees. He built sugar factories. There is now a Hershey, Cuba. During the 1930s, America suffered the Great Depression. Many Americans lost their jobs. Hershey was still successful because his candy bars were still only 5 cents. He made sure his people still had jobs. As Hershey got older, he let his managers take over more of the business. He, at the age of 88, he died of pneumonia. Hershey chocolate is still a successful business, and you can visit Hershey, Pennsylvania. All right, boys and girls, that is my writing and my biography for Hershey, Pennsylvania. You will continue to write yours, and you will have a few days to continue to do that and then turn it in and submit it to me.